was
No, no, in the background of various developments and protests that were happening in other states, the leaders of the Muslim community and other community leaders met us today. We had a discussion, and from the community, they assured that Karnataka has been a peaceful state and the peace in the state would be prevailed, and they would cooperate and ensure that the community would be there to support all the efforts of the government in ensuring peace. From police side, we assured them that police would take all lawful actions against any things that go on, and we will work with them. And in this regard, the Chief Minister of Karnataka also yesterday directed the police to ensure that no untoward incident should happen in Karnataka, and we communicated that as well to them.
so any specific demands they had, like they want something from you, from the police department?
No, they would be giving us a representation if they have any demands, and so we would be forwarding that to the government.
Sir, any official request for protest, sir?
No, thank you.
So so last what's the message for the people over there, like who are planning to do what's the message from
No, there are no plans at all. Police are not aware. So as of now, it's only a precautionary thing because nobody has protested and nothing. So it is only a channel of communication that is there, and they met us in a very informal way, and we discussed the things. Thank you.